So in our previous videos we were able to ingest logs into Splunk. At this point it's basically I use this lab. Now we are going to simulate brute force and other attacks. So for this we will use DVWA. We will need XAMPP. Okay, download one for our architecture or your operating system. And other thing we need is DVWA. Let's go to its official GitHub page or GitHub repo. Click on code. And click on download zip. Okay, once it's done downloading, we will install XAMPP. Okay, here it is. Right click on it, run as administrator. Click yes. If you might get this warning message, just click OK. Click next. Now if you are low on storage, you would need some of these. You would just need MySQL and this phpMyAdmin. So I'm just going to uncheck all of these except for MySQL and phpMyAdmin. Then click next. And click next again. Okay, set the language to English. Click next. Okay, click and wait for it to install. So once it's done installing, just click on finish. So this is the XAMPP Control Panel. We can start Apache and MySQL services from this control panel. Okay, I can allow access to MySQL. As you can see, MySQL is running on port 3306. It's default port, and Apache is running on port 80 and 443. Like if we can go to localhost 80, port 80. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now it's running. Oh, sorry. Okay, we can see this welcome page. Now extract this DVWA. Now we need to copy and or move this DVWA folder to htdocs of the XAMPP folder. There it is, XAMPP. Open it. This htdocs. Let's move it here. Okay. Okay, after copy or moving the DVWA folder to htdocs folder in XAMPP. If we just type DVWA master, and there it is. So we have to okay, copy the config file. Okay, we just have to remove this dist from this config file DVWA. So there it is. Let's rename and just remove the last bit. Click yes to apply change. Now we should be able to, if we okay, now it's saying okay. Now we need to create a DVWA user or in our SQL database. So if you get this error, go to this config file, open it. Okay, so we need to create a database with DVWA or with the name of DVWA. Go to the control panel, click on admin. It will take you to this phpMyAdmin. So we need to create a new database. Click on new, name database. Make sure it matches the name here. Click on create. Okay, now click on, we need to create a user. Click on privileges. Now we need to add a user account. Make sure it matches the user here, and make sure it matches the user here. So don't worry about this host field. Copy the password from here. Copy and paste it here. Okay, let's check all. Now click on go. We don't need to see it. Now if we go back, we should be able to log in. Okay, now we need to set up. Let's click on create or reset database. Okay, now we need to log in using the so the credentials for this are admin and password in lowercase. Okay, and click login. You can save if you want. Okay, so in coming videos we will simulate some of the attacks and forward the logs and try to view them in Splunk indexer. Okay, goodbye for now.